What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to get Facebook on your DaFit smartwatch. So if you want to be able to connect and receive all of your Facebook messages and notifications from your phone to any DaFit smartwatch you have, this video will guide you on how to go about doing that. But first things first, we actually have to connect our DaFit smartwatch to our phone so that we can get all of our Facebook notifications and messages. Now to do that, you want to come over to your phone. Then first and foremost, make sure you come over to the top notification center of your phone, turn on Bluetooth, and then also make sure you turn on the service location of your phone as well. You want to head over to the iOS App Store or Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone, and then from the search bar at the bottom over here, you want to go ahead and search for DaFit, that is DaFit, and then make sure you download and install this DaFit smartwatch app over here into your phone. And once the app is done downloading and installing, what you want to do is to just go ahead and open up the app directly from here. At the bottom, you want to click on the agree and continue button over here. Now just make sure you give the app all of the permission it needs. So click on while using this app, click on allow, and once you get to this page, your DaFit smartwatch app will start to search for our DaFit smartwatch over here. I usually recommend you skip this so that we can do it later. So just go ahead and click on the device not found, skip. And then at this point, you'll be required to enter all of your personal information. Then click on the done button at the bottom over here. And once that is done, you're good to go. You also want to make sure you click on the allow button so that it can actually send messages from our phone to our DaFit smartwatch over here. So click on the allow button. Now we can now proceed to pair and connect our DaFit smartwatch app to our DaFit smartwatch over here. So click on the watch icon over here, which is actually the devices tab. Now click on add a device, and automatically your DaFit smartwatch app will start to search for available devices it can actually connect to. You can literally find the name of my DaFit smartwatch over here. It is actually the Firebolt smartwatch. I'll go ahead and select it from over here, and now it is trying to connect, as you can see from the top, and it has just connected with my DaFit smartwatch. And at this point, we can now proceed to enable Facebook from our phone to our DaFit smartwatch. But first things first, also make sure that both devices are paired via Bluetooth. So click on the pair button over here. If you do not see that pop up, you can go over to the Bluetooth of your phone and then just make sure that both devices are paired via Bluetooth as well. Then you can now go back to the DaFit smartwatch app. Now at this point, to get and receive all of our Facebook messages and notifications, click on the notifications button over here. And then from the list of apps and social media we have over here, just go ahead and look for the Facebook app, then toggle on this button at the right hand side of Facebook. It might be a little bit buggy. Just make sure you try it several times until you see a pop-up. So just press on it and you can literally see the pop-up over here. Now click on enable. And then at this point, you want to locate the DaFit smartwatch app from the list of apps over here, select it, and then make sure you turn on or enable the allow notification access. So click on this. Now you're going to get a little warning on some phones. You can just go ahead and ignore it. And once the allow notification access permission is turned on, you should now be able to receive all of your Facebook messages and notifications from your phone to your DaFit smartwatch. Also make sure that Facebook is actually enabled at this particular point. Meanwhile, if you face any issue where you're still unable to get all of your Facebook messages and notifications, what you can actually do to fix that issue is to head over to the settings of your phone. So go ahead and open up the settings and then locate the app settings from over here. Click on it. You want to go ahead and locate the DaFit smartwatch app from this list of apps over here. Click on it from over here. Then at the bottom, we have the notifications permission. Select it and then make sure you toggle on the show notifications permission. You also want to locate the Facebook app. You can literally find mine over here, select it, and then also make sure that under notification you toggle on the show notification permission for Facebook at this particular point. Now you should be able to receive all of your Facebook messages and notifications from your phone to your DaFit smartwatch, and I will go ahead and try it now. Okay, so I have just sent a Facebook message to myself using my other Facebook account, and you can literally see the message over here saying, hey, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you come over to my DaFit smartwatch, you can literally see the message as well from myself saying, hey, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.